How to borrow money from MTN mobile money, 600 Ghana cedis instantly. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, okay? But before you'll be able to borrow up to 600 Ghana cedis, you have to increase your loan limit, okay? So to be able to increase your loan limit, you have to be continuously borrowing occasionally, always and always. You borrow, you pay, you borrow, you pay, okay? So I am going to show you the loan that I am owing currently. So as you all know, how to do it is to just dial *170# and then it will take you through all the transaction processes. Okay. So currently I am going to check the loan that I have borrowed and then I am owing, and then I'm going to pay it and borrow up to 600 for you to see it live and colored. Okay, so as you can see, I am owing 534.50 pesos. Okay, and then it says that your payment request is complete. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is that you have to check and see that you have really settled the loan. So you have to dial the *170#, and then when it comes, just select option 5, and then when it comes, just go to the loan side. So when you go to the loan side, we are then going to try and then see to repay it again. So all I have to do is to select option 1, which is quick loan, and then I want you to select option 2, which is repay my loan, and then you enter your Momo pin, and then it says that I do not have any quick loan at the moment because I just paid it. Okay, after paying it, come and check and then see that it says you do not have any quick loan. The next thing to do is to check your message, confirm the message to know that you do not have any quick loan. Okay, so it says that thank you for settling your loan, and then I have to dial *170# to see if I qualify for another loan. Now that we do not have any outstanding loan balance, I'm going to show you how to borrow 600 cash loan right now. Okay, so just dial *170#. I want you to just select option 5 and then go to financial services. So when it comes, the next thing to do is to select option 3, which is loans. So click on option 3 and then select it. The next thing is to pick any of these. So I usually go for option 1, which is quick loan. So after selecting option 1, the next thing is to select option 1, which is get a loan. Okay, after selecting option 1, you have to enter in your mobile money pin. So after entering the mobile money pin, it says that I can borrow up to 616. So I'm going to borrow 616 so that it will also extend my loan limit. Okay, so all I have to do is to select option 1, and then it says that I am going to pay 45 cedis attached to the loan, which is 6.9% interest. Okay, yes, I want it. The next thing that you have to do is to select option 1 for the next. The next thing that you have to do is to just continue and then select option 1 for the next. The next thing that you have to do is to select option 1 to agree. After selecting option 1, now the loan has been paid into my mobile money account. So now let's see if there is any message. Yes, the message has come, and what you are going to do is to confirm the message as well. So from the message, it says that they have paid into my mobile money wallet 616 successfully. So this is how to borrow from MTN mobile money step by step. Okay, I know that you'll be able to do it. The next thing that you have to do is to check from your mobile wallet to see that the loan is actually there. Okay, just dial the *170#. Then you go to option 6, my wallet, and then when it comes, just go to option 1. What I have to do is to just enter option 1 to check your balance, and then as you can see from here, they are paid into my mobile money wallet 616. So this is how to get MTN quick loan right from your phone. So thank you for watching this video, and then see you in my next video.